I think there is so much to learn from this whole workshop and Hardik's team.
I was motivated by the great information that was online about this workshop, and it's absolutely delivered on.
AI is changing so rapidly that I feel every month it's completely different. I can't really keep up with it. This was an amazing workshop because I learned so much today in such a brief amount of time.
When I saw the ad, I was intrigued because I just created an AI beauty app. So I wanted to just come and just see what I can learn and new things I can learn about.
That AI is changing the whole world now, and I think it's the in thing. Anyone who is not connected with AI will be left behind.
My biggest takeaway from this workshop is how diverse interested parties were. There's just a lot of different industries and groups and people at different stages of business and their careers just really interested in this stuff. So for a group this size, it was really diverse.
I learned real-world applications and tools to solve some of my biggest pain points.
Key was the understanding that there could be agents that I could deploy on my existing websites or my existing work. So there's not something that I have to create anew, but it's more like a fix. So AI is more like a fix in your existing system. So the first thing that I think that I'm going to do right now is try a few of the examples that was showcased over here, which I think is really cool because when you're seeing it happening in front of your eyes, because you talk about a certain software, but when you see it in action, you like it, right? So I think I'm tempted right now to go back home and try some of those tools that they have told us.
Yeah, there's just so many that I need to digest it all, but yeah, I was able to take note on so many great ideas that it's hard to pinpoint one. So I think that's part of what makes this workshop so valuable.
I'm going to put all of my notes into ChatGPT and organize them.
Good. I think we got to interact with a lot of small and medium-sized business owners, and a lot of them are early in their AI implementation journey. I'm glad we were able to share some lessons that we've learned by working with some big companies, and overall it was a very rewarding experience.